Easy English Conversations. How often do you go swimming?
Hello, Bully.
Hi, Sean. What is your daily routine?
Well, I always get up at 7 o'clock. I usually have fruit and yogurt for breakfast. I often go jogging. I sometimes go swimming after work. And I occasionally watch a film.
Do you go clothes shopping?
No, I hardly ever go clothes shopping.
How about skateboarding? Do you go skateboarding?
No, I never go skateboarding. How about you, Bully? What is your daily routine?
I usually get up at 6:15. I often have porridge for breakfast. I sometimes listen to a podcast.
Welcome to Real Easy English.
I always cook dinner after work. And I occasionally play video games.
Do you go swimming in the sea?
No, I hardly ever go swimming in the sea.
Do you drink tea?
No, I never drink tea.
Find out what Bully did at the weekend in the next episode. Now, back to the lesson.
Hi, Georgie.
Hello.
What's your daily routine?
I usually get up at 7:45. I often eat cereal for breakfast. I always read the news on the train. I sometimes exercise after work. And I occasionally watch TV.
Do you sometimes go to the gym?
No, I hardly ever go to the gym.
Do you sometimes play video games?
No, I never play video games. How about you, Tim? What is your daily routine?
I sometimes get up at 7:30, but sometimes I get up at 8:30. I occasionally eat toast for breakfast. I always brush my teeth. I usually walk to work. I often read a book.
Do you sometimes go camping?
No, I hardly ever go camping.
Do you sometimes watch cartoons?
No, I never watch cartoons.
Click on the link to download a free worksheet for this episode. Now, back to the lesson. Can you remember our routines? What does Sean occasionally do?
Sean occasionally watches a film.
That's right. I occasionally watch a film. What does Bully sometimes do?
Bully sometimes listens to a podcast.
Correct. I sometimes listen to a podcast. What does Georgie always do?
Georgie always reads the news on the train.
That's right. I always read the news on the train. What does Tim often do?
Tim often reads a book.
Correct. I often read a book. What do you sometimes do?
What do you usually do?
Tell us about your daily routine in the comments.
Click here for more practice.
And click here to subscribe to our channel.
Bye.